Hi guys, this is Chaitra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, skincare, literally everything. So if you're new here, I would request you guys to spare a moment and hit the subscribe button. And I think we shouldn't waste any further time and let's dive straight into today's video. If you're new here, then I'm sure you might have missed my previous video that I posted on my channel. It was about Chic Nutrix Outshine Glow Serum and we have another product to try from the same brand. This one is the Glow Effervescent Tablet. That's how the packaging looks. It comes in a very cute yellow and pink kind of cylindrical bottle. The packaging is really cute, I must say. And this one retails for rupees 1980 and इसके अंदर 20 effervescent tablets होता है. So you will be sorted for 20 days. Let me first tell you इसके अंदर क्या है and how it works. So this basically has Japanese glutathione and vitamin C. You guys know that glutathione helps in reducing pigmentation, scars, dark spots and everything, and also vitamin C is known to reduce all those pigmentation and dark spots. That's the reason why I thought I should give this product a try, because currently my skin is going through a lot of issues. But yes, after trying this product, I can see a visible difference. This is my skin right now. I know it is not crystal clear and it will obviously take few weeks to literally show up, but I think since the last 1.5 month I have seen noticeable difference because मैं उनका serum भी use कर रही हूँ and with that I'm using this glow tablet as well. You have to consume only one tablet a day, that's it. इसको कैसे consume करना है वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, but yes, you have to consume this post meal. So it can be after breakfast or after your dinner or lunch, but I personally like to consume it after my breakfast because morning का time होता है and I think that's the best time to consume any type of effervescent tablet. So yes, that's the best timing for me. You can decide for yourself, but yes, make sure you are not having this on an empty stomach because it is not good. Empty stomach में कभी भी कोई भी tablet नहीं खाना चाहिए. So keep that in mind. So the first time when I tried this, I was like, I was a bit skeptical because it's an effervescent tablet. So मुझे पता नहीं था कि इसका taste कैसे होगा. I didn't know what to expect. So when I drank this, I was like, oh my god, this tastes good. Like literally मैं बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. Like honestly, the taste was really good. मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा कि मैं कोई tablet consume कर रही हूँ, which is the best part because I personally hate consuming any sort of a tablet. और किसको पसंद है यार medicine flavor, तो किसी को नहीं पसंद. So you can be rest assured that this product doesn't give you that medicine kind of flavor. It is really good. The best part about this tablet is that you don't have to force yourself to drink it, if you know what I mean. Because I'm sure tablets के नाम से सब भाग जाता है, but इसके केस में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो you don't have to force yourself. Every day आप खुद से ही realize करोगे कि आपको ये tablets खाना है. That's the best part about this tablet. So इसको consume करना बहुत easy. I'll show you how I consume it. It's very easy. Just take a glass of water and take one tablet. Just make sure you're taking only one tablet, एक से ज़्यादा नहीं, and put this in the glass. Oh my god, this looks so fancy, isn't it? So ये जो भी effervescent है ये ऐसे bubble के form में आएगा and you just have to wait. जैसे ये fuzzing sound खत्म हो जाएगा then you can start consuming it. As I told you, I like to take it after my breakfast and अभी मेरा breakfast हो गया है, so I'll have it right now. अभी भी tablets को पूरी तरह से dissolve होना बाकी है, so we'll wait till the time it gets completely dissolved and I'll tell you what are the importance of glutathione. Guys, so this one has Japanese Opitag glutathione. So this basically helps in fast absorption as compared to other sources of glutathione. Glutathione also helps in reducing all those pigmentation, dark spots, scars, and it also promotes even tone skin. It also has powerful antioxidant that helps to fight against UV rays, free radicals, and pollution. So yes, that's all about glutathione. Talking about vitamin C in this product, it basically helps in absorbing glutathione faster. तो जो भी glutathione का process हो जाता है vitamin C के वजह से वो increase हो जाता है and वो बहुत अच्छे से effectively हमारी body में काम करता है. So yes, that's the main role of vitamin C in this product. Also, we all know that vitamin C is known to work on the dark spots, pigmentation. So overall, vitamin C in this product increases the efficiency of glutathione. So now that you know the importance of Opitag glutathione and vitamin C. मेरा glass यहाँ पे ready है and now I'm gonna sip it. This tastes really good. I'm not even kidding. I can finish this off in one go. Done for the day. As this product is dermatologically tested and it takes nearly about 8 weeks to show visible results. मेरे केस में मैंने 4 weeks से ही रिजल्ट देखना चालू कर दिया था because as I mentioned I was using their outshine serum, so maybe दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन की वजह से मेरा स्किन और भी अच्छे से रिएक्ट करने लगा. So you can try these two together or if you just want to go with the tablets you can do that. मैं इसका लिंक नीचे मेंशन कर दूंगी. You can go and check that out. Guys, before I forget, let me tell you, this product is gluten free, it is vegan, it has no added sugar, no added colors, so it is really safe to consume. So if you're someone who's dealing with acne spots, blemishes, dark spots, pigmentation, dry skin, I think you should definitely try this product. And even in general, if you are looking to have that glowy healthy skin, I think you should definitely give this product a try. You can use my coupon code that's mentioned here on the screen. The link will be there in the description down below. You can visit Chick Nutrix website and buy this product and test it out yourself. I was honestly surprised to see visible results after trying it for a month and I think you guys should definitely give this a try. जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे ना, स्टार्ट करके 1-2 दिन में छोड़ मत देना. You have to be really very consistent to see visible positive results. So yes, if you want to try the serum and the tablet, you can try both together and see if it works for you. So yes, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I tried my best to share my honest opinion on the Cheek Nutrix Glow Effervescent tablet. If you have tried this product in the past, you can let me know your experience in the comments down below. It will be helpful for me and others as well. I'll be back again with more interesting review video only for you guys. Till then, stay tuned and take care. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.